The human heart is a muscular organ that functions as a dual pump to circulate blood. The heart comprises 4 chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The left ventricle has the thickest wall due to the high pressure required for systemic circulation. The heart contains 4 valves ensuring unidirectional blood flow: tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral bicuspid, and aortic. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle. The pulmonary valve between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. The mitral valve between the left atrium and left ventricle. And the aortic valve between the left ventricle and aorta. These valves open and close in response to pressure gradients, preventing backflow and maintaining efficient circulation. The heart wall comprises 3 layers: the endocardium, myocardium, and epicardium. The heart is surrounded by the pericardium, a protective double-layered sac. The heart's electrical conduction system includes the SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers, coordinating rhythmic contractions.